Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix verifying your phone number problem with account creation. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're trying to create your Google account here and you're stuck in the verifying your phone number page, well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. Now, typically, if you're stuck at creating your account, let's just say you are creating it via your desktop or via the browser on your phone here, sometimes you may get stuck on the account or the phone number verification page. Now, to fix this issue, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to access one of the Google apps that you could access here. So that includes Gmail or in this case, any type of Google app that you could access. So you could even access Gmail, Google Maps, anything. And you could also use YouTube here, by the way. So if you're not familiar yet with it. But in this case, what you need to do is you want to go open it up. You want to go and just access your profile page here. Click on the account section at the top left, and you want to go and click on the plus button you see at the top right of your screen. Now, this will redirect you to the page where you can actually check some information. Let's go and verify our account or ourselves here so that we can access this page. But in here, you should be able to access the sign in page. So go and click on create account and go and choose my personal use. Now from here, it will allow you to start creating your account. So the thing or the best or the perk about using this one is you're directly accessing the app connected to Google. So in this case, it will temporarily bypass the page for adding or verifying your phone number. So in this case, you can go and just create your account here, enter your password, and once you've done that, you should be able to add your phone number at the later date if you want, if you go to your settings. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.